Here is the Rheem classic heat pump at my uncle's house. It is a Rheem, actually remembered, and weird fan blades. Copeland scroll compressor apparently, and it's put a decent amount away from the home. There's the reversing valve. See, look. Copeland scroll. Condensate is kind of weirdly installed. It is manufactured 2006 model RQNJ-A042JK and 015, so that's a 3.5 ton. Serial 724F350615600. Date of manufacture 9 September 2006. R22 refrigerant. Trying to see if it says any. I'd imagine this is either a 5 or a 10 kilowatt supplementary heat. Well, I don't know why it says how far it has to be away from the house. Listed heat pump. I don't know. This is fairly new install. Fairly new. Rheem Classic Series. The energy guide used to go there. It is a 13 SEER, and it has 2 disconnects. See, look, one goes into there. There's the thermostat. Line voltage from fuse disconnect is the second pipe, which is the one I'm following, which is right there. And then the second one is right under here. Yeah, that's the one right there. That's the one that's right here. 24 volt thermostat. I wonder why. So yeah, 2006 Rheem Classic Series heat pump. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.